I'm starting off with my eye base. This is basically to help my eyeshadow last longer and also become more vibrant. I'm gonna go in with a base color that's similar to my skin tone, and I'm just gonna apply it on the lid and under the brow. Now I'm gonna go in with a light brown tone. I'm gonna apply it on the crease area. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a blending brush, a nice fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna take a darker brown and apply that right on the crease. And I'm gonna go a little bit lower than the crease too. And I'm building that color up basically. Now I'm taking a black shade and I'm applying that right over the dark brown, and I'm gonna put this all over the lid. Our goal is to have a nice gradient look, having a lighter color on the top and starting to go darker towards the bottom. Now I'm taking my blending brush, and there's no product in this, but I'm just blending the rest of the brown just to soften it out. Now I'm going in with my black, and it's a darker black, just to apply on the lid and closer to the lash line. I'm going to go back with that brown and apply it at my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take that black and pop that right over that brown just to create a nice gradient. Just blend the rest of that brown out. Make sure it's all blended nicely and soft. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner, and nothing special today. I'm just going to do a regular line. Just regular. Now I'm taking this highlight and I'm going to put this right under the brow. This is just to lift the brow up and also add a nice contrast to my smoky eye. Curl the lashes. I'm going to apply my mascara just to the top lashes and also the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to apply some actual lashes on. So apply the glue and wait for it to be tacky. You can blow at it, or you can wait about 20 seconds. And bam, you got your lashes on. Now you're going to put some regular eyeliner on. I'm just putting this on the lash line and I'm going halfway. This is just so my eyes are still looking open. But yeah. There you have it. You got a simple smoky eye look. If you guys like this look, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.